I'm up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and I got a 1955 frame-off restored Chevy sitting here for $39,900. I'm gonna do a little walk around, let you check it out. It's clean underneath, just as clean as it is on the outside. It's got cut-offs, full exhaust system, frame shining, you can't tell. Super nice car. We had it once before. A local customer of ours bought it. And he does a lot of trading with us. And Pops was real tempted to keep it again this time, but he decided to go ahead and let go of it. He bought a few cars since then, so. A lot of goodies on this one. Everything's basically new. It's got a 350 in it. Not too many paint flaws, but I'll try to find some. So we're going to start over here. Anything that I see, I'll point it out in the video. Car runs and drives awesome. Check out my test drive videos. I do them all the time, and I got one on this. I just took off down the road. I'd consider that a blemish right there. Right in here. You can see where they laid too much paint. This is a very clean car. Seals look good. Like I said, majority of everything's been done. There's a little dimple in the paint right there. Gas tank's in the trunk. This car has attracted a lot of attention. What I mean by gas tanks in the trunk, actually there's a little crack right there. You open the door. Let me get the keys to the trunk, I'll show you. It's under the car, but you gotta fill it from inside the trunk, so. But yeah, you fill the gas up right there. I like it because nobody can steal your gas. It's still convenient to have it where it's supposed to be. We'll keep doing a little walk around and I'll get to the inside. Aluminum radiator. I love those fuel filters that are like that. Electric windshield wipers. Got cutouts for the exhaust. Switch it right there. Man, this thing runs and drives good. Shifts awesome. Nice and smooth. Interior's been replaced. Weather stripping's been replaced. Do not think this car will last very long. Headliner's in great shape. All the gauges work. Even the blinkers and stuff light up on the dash. Check this out. Carpet back in real quick so I can shut the trunk. Well, I appreciate you watching this video. Hopefully I described it well enough for you to come down and check it out. My name's Nick. You can give us a call up here. We're all family. It's 615-822-4444. We're at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. We're a family business. please check our website out. We sell cars like this every single day. I also do test drive videos, which you can also check out. I got one on this car I'm getting ready to post. Check my website out though, maplemotors.com. Got 100 detailed photos of inside out and underneath every car we have, especially this one. The fan's kicking on. Everything works as it should. This is a great running and driving car. I appreciate you watching. Thanks again, guys.